If you feel like no matter what diet you try, your weight refuses to move, the problem might not be your willpower. It might be your hormones, stress, sleep, or metabolism. Women in the UK and US are often told to eat less and move more. But this advice ignores how the female body actually works. Today I'll break down the 7 fat loss mistakes nearly every woman makes and how to fix them safely. Number 1. Eating too little proteins. Protein controls hunger hormones, stabilizes blood sugar, and increases thermogenesis. Most women only consume 40 to 50 grams daily, far below the level needed for metabolic stability. Aim for 80 to 100 grams per day from eggs, chicken, fish, Greek yogurt, and legumes. Number 2. Skipping breakfast. Skipping breakfast may seem like a good way to eat fewer calories, but it often backfires. Cortisol peaks in the morning. When you skip protein at breakfast, cortisol stays elevated, leading to cravings, irritability, and fat storage later in the day. A protein-rich morning meal reduces evening hunger and improves fat loss. Number 3. Overdoing cardio. Hours of cardio raise cortisol and burn muscle, which slows metabolism. Strength training, walking, and moderate exercise work far better for long-term fat loss. Build muscle to increase your resting metabolic rate. Number 4. Eating diet foods. Low-fat yogurt, cereal bars, diet sodas, and low-calorie snacks often contain hidden sugars that spike insulin. High insulin means your body cannot burn fat. Choose whole foods instead. Number 5. Poor sleep. Less than 7 hours of sleep raises ghrelin, hunger hormone, and reduces leptin, fullness hormone. Poor sleep also increases cortisol and slows fat loss. Protect your sleep like your fitness depends on it, because it does. Number 6. Stress and emotional eating. Chronic stress keeps cortisol high, especially in women. High cortisol push fat storage toward the belly and increases cravings. Reduce stress with deep breathing, magnesium, walking, sunlight, and proper hydration. Number 7. Not understanding insulin resistance. Insulin resistance affects millions of women, especially after 30. High insulin shuts off fat-burning pathways completely. Correct this by reducing sugar, increasing protein, balancing meal, walking after eating, and getting enough sleep. Fat loss is not about punishment or starvation. It's about creating hormonal balance, reducing inflammation, eating enough protein, improving sleep and stress. Once you correct these 7 mistakes, your body begins working with you, not against you.